Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Coffee Time.
Hey there. Good to see you again. I'm Neo.
And I'm Emma. This is English Coffee Time, where we speak slow, clear, everyday American English for beginners and intermediate learners.
Every day we upload a long conversation, up to 60 minutes, so you can listen while you drink coffee, walk, drive, or relax.
Listening every day helps your brain get used to real English, so please subscribe now and turn on the bell so you don't miss our daily coffee chats.
We're really happy you're here. Let's start today's episode.
Today, we're talking about a big moment in many people's lives, arriving in a new country as an international student.
Yes, from the moment you land at the airport to the first days of your new life in America or Europe.
This topic is exciting, scary, emotional, and full of new experiences.
And very useful English, too, because airports and first days are full of conversations.
Imagine this. You are a student from another country. You worked hard, you got accepted, you packed your bags, and now you're on the plane.
Your heart is beating fast. You're excited, but also nervous. That feeling is very normal.
Let's start with the flight. The plane is big. You find your seat, you put your bag above your head.
You sit down and think, wow, this is really happening.
Soon, a flight attendant comes and smiles.
She says, hello, would you like chicken or pasta?
This is a very common question.
You can answer simply, chicken, please.
Or pasta, thank you.
After that, she may ask, what would you like to drink?
You can say, water, please.
Or orange juice, thank you.
You don't need long sentences. Short and polite is perfect.
During the flight, you might watch movies, listen to music, or try to sleep.
Sleeping on a plane is not easy for everyone.
Some people feel excited and cannot sleep at all.
Others feel tired and sleep a little.
At some point, the pilot says, we are preparing to land.
Your stomach feels funny. This is it.
You land. People clap sometimes.
You stand up, take your bag, and follow the signs.
You see signs that say immigration or passport control.
This is an important moment.
You wait in line with many other people.
You look around and hear many languages.
You feel like the world is in one room.
Finally, it's your turn.
The officer looks at you and says, passport, please.
You give your passport and visa.
The officer may ask, what is the purpose of your visit?
You answer, I'm here to study.
Or, I am an international student.
The officer may ask, which university?
You say the name of your university clearly.
Then they might ask, how long will you stay?
You answer, 4 years or 2 years, depending on your program.
Sometimes they ask, where will you stay?
You can say, in a university dorm or in an apartment near campus.
The officer types on the computer.
This silence can feel long.
Your hands might feel a little cold.
Then the officer gives your passport back and says, welcome.
You smile and say, thank you.
That moment feels very good.
You passed immigration.
Next, you go to baggage claim.
You look at the screen to find your flight number.
You stand near the belt and wait.
Bags start coming out.
Big bags, small bags, colorful bags.
You watch carefully.
Finally, you see your bag.
You feel relieved.
Sometimes a bag doesn't arrive.
If that happens, you go to the desk and say, my bag didn't arrive.
You show your baggage tag and they help you.
After that, you go to customs.
An officer may ask, do you have anything to declare?
You say, no.
Or, no, nothing.
They may ask about food.
It's important to be honest.
After customs, you walk out of the airport.
The doors open and you feel the new air.
New country. New life.
Outside, you see taxis, buses, and many people.
You might feel tired, confused, and excited at the same time.
If you take a taxi, the driver may say, "Where to?"
You say the address slowly and clearly.
Or you show it on your phone.
During the ride, you look out the window.
New buildings, new roads, new signs.
Everything feels different.
You arrive at your dorm or hotel.
At the front desk, someone says, "Hello, how can I help you?"
You say, "I have a reservation."
They ask for your passport.
They give you a key or key card.
You go to your room.
You open the door and look around.
This is your new space.
It might feel small.
Or very quiet.
You sit on the bed and breathe.
Many students feel emotional at this moment.
Some feel happy.
Some feel lonely.
Some feel both.
The next day, you wake up in a new country.
You may feel jet lag.
Your body doesn't know the time.
You feel hungry at strange hours.
You go outside to explore.
You find a cafe.
You order coffee and say, "One coffee, please."
The cashier asks, "For here or to go?"
This is a new question for many students.
For here means you stay.
To go means you leave with it.
You choose and smile.
Later, you go to the university.
You look for the International Student Office.
You say, "I'm a new student."
They welcome you and give you information.
They talk about orientation.
Orientation is a meeting for new students.
You meet other students from many countries.
You hear different accents.
You introduce yourself.
"Hi, I'm Emma. I'm from..."
People smile and say hello.
This is how friendships start.
In the first days, everything feels new.
New food, new rules, new culture.
You may feel confused sometimes.
You may miss home.
That's okay.
It's part of the journey.
Slowly, you learn small things.
How to use the bus.
How to buy groceries.
How to ask for help.
Your English improves because you use it every day.
You start thinking in English more often.
One day, you realize you feel more comfortable.
The airport fear is gone.
The new country feels more like home.
This process takes time,
Everyone's journey is different.
but every international student has stories like these.
Stories of fear, excitement, mistakes, and growth.
And all of it starts at the airport.
That's why learning these conversations is so important.
And listening every day helps you feel ready.
Now, we want to ask you something.
Have you ever arrived in a new country as a student?
Or are you preparing for it now?
What part feels the most exciting for you?
And what part feels the most scary?
Write your answer in the comments in English.
Even short sentences are great.
We read every comment.
And we love hearing your stories.
If this episode helped you, please subscribe to English Coffee Time.
Turn on the bell for a new long conversation every day.
Thank you for spending your coffee time with us.
Keep listening, keep practicing.
And remember, every big journey starts with one small step.
See you tomorrow.
Right here on English Coffee Time.
Bye for now. Keep going.